Hey there, let's talk about job notes. Think of job notes as your digital sticky notes that stay glued to a specific job, no matter which worker you roster onto it later. It's the best way to keep vital info from falling through the cracks. To get started, head over to the jobs page, open a specific job, and jump into the notes area. Give your note a clear title and a short description. Make sure it's clear and easy to skim by your recipients. Now here's where you take control. You decide who sees what. If it's just for the office, tick the visible in scheduler job summary to admins. This keeps coordinators in the loop without bothering the crew. If the workers need the heads up, you can make it visible in their personal login scheduler view, or even have it pop up directly in their roster emails. Once you hit save, that info is locked to the job. No dramas, no missed messages, just clear communication for everyone involved. Go give it a try.